thing here it is. We'll start. What is local group policies? Again, topic is the background topic is we taken, that is how to troubleshoot networking. But first of all, what is this local group policies? Local group policies first we discuss. Then what is the use of local group policies to troubleshoot in the networking? Okay, local group policy, it means for every PC has a local group policies. One second. What I'm saying, in Windows, remember guys, in Windows, okay, in Windows operating system, the meaning is XP 2000, XP 2000, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, like that. So what are the latest operating system we seen? Old operating system may have, we don't have now currently, so we don't worry about it. But we have a operating system like 7, 8, 10 still in the market, right? So when you say Windows OS, okay, anything like a desktop versions, okay, anything desktop or server versions in generally. So in Windows OS, we have a group policies. Okay, but make sure in a client OS, like a example Windows 10 kind of stuff, editions like a Pro and Enterprise having as local group policies. Every PC, okay, every Windows OS having Windows OS editions, Pro and Enterprise, having a has had, what are the word you use it? I will put hyphen, having a group policies, local group policies. Okay, remember guys, any Windows home editions don't have local group policies. Not only local group policies guys, also lot of things won't have available in a home editions. You know, you guys are asked first day, sir, we have a Windows 10 in our local computer, why we should use this Windows 10 Enterprise in the virtual machine? Yes, now can you understand, most of our laptops are home editions only. So compulsory check what is your operating system edition. Already I told in the first day class, compulsory check what is your operating system, what is your OS edition. So in home editions, we don't have local group policies. Next. To open, use the command like a go to run GPEDIT.MSC. GPEDIT.MSC. I use a cap letter for visibility purpose only. It does not mean you don't need to give cap letters. Small letters also okay. Okay. To update, means after edited, if you done any editing, to update a group policies, first thing is in the run command only you should use gp update/force. Captcha small, no problem. Next, you can choose either, so it is required a restart PC or a sign out. So just I'm telling, so when I'm writing on a thing, So you don't know. So obviously it confusion is there, but I will show you. So then clarity will come up. So when you restart a computer, if you are added, you edited the edit, edit in computer configuration. Edit group policy in user configuration. That is restart for anything. Okay, and you must remember where you done. So we'll see what is this group policies. First of all, I didn't tell what is group policies, right? So where it is located, I told. But what is this? What is local group policies or group policies? Actually, group policies enforce various type of settings to system. It is used to control function of system. Settings means meaning of setting is network related setting, user related settings, okay, user account control, password, okay, password related things, IP security, this belongs to network only, IP security, desktop, startup, and shutdown. Okay, like this, so many type of settings are there. Just I will tell some examples. We can understand for that one. For example, guys, I have a recycler bin on my desktop. Now you want to remove it. You can remove it. You don't want to recycle it. If you look at my desktop, guys, can you able to hear, right? Okay. Are you able to see the screen or it is disabled?
No, we can see that.
Okay. If you see, I have put a lot of data on my desktop, right? I have put a lot of data on my desktop. So what happened? If I put a data, then it is occupy some data, so much of data on your desktop, right? So I can create a policy. Users should not put any data, cannot save any data on the desktop, right? I can able to restrict, okay? Or maybe when I log into computer and the password is asking, right? So I have to give complex password. I can reduce the complexity also. Like if I give ABC also, it will accept. Like that, we can change the complexity settings in the passwords. Okay, network communication. So I'm communicating to lot of devices. I can restrict the access. For example, I have a lot of applications. Other users are accessing my application. We can control application. Other users cannot access my particular applications. Okay, like that we can able to do settings. Now how to open local group policies? As I said, GPEDIT.MSC. Look at here, guys. So I'm open GPEDIT. So GPEDIT.MSC, because I already opened this one. See, GPEDIT.MSC. Click OK. Because I have opened in my virtual machine. So I have opened in my virtual machine. Same thing if I open in my physical machine, what will happen? So I'm opening in my physical machine, so don't worry. GPEDIT.MSC, throwing an error. Spelling is correct only. It's throwing an error. Why it is throwing an error? Mine is Windows 10 Home. Remember, sometimes you do seriously working on a computer and someone is asking, like, yes, this is the uh, information is there. You have to change it in your system, and you try to open GPEDIT, it is not working. So what you will do? What you will do? So immediately you call me, sir, it's not working. So what thing is, in home editions, no group policies, no local group policies. Home editions having lot of restrictions. So this is local group policy, computer configuration, user configuration. You made any settings under these policies. For example, just showing some very limited. Yeah, for example, like this. Remove desktop cleanup wizard. Hide Internet Explorer icon. Remove my documents icon and desktop. Remove computer icon. Remove recycler bin icon. See, you can see. Remove recycler bin icon from desktop. I am going to this one. Okay, I open it. Enable the policy. Just enabling the policy. Just enable the policy. Okay. Full screen. So enable. Remove recycler bin from desktop. So again, you have to read this thing. So to do it, you must read what it is. Do it. So I enable it. Then I'm going to apply. Okay. So apply. Okay. I created a policy. I enabled a policy. I enabled a setting, that is remove recycler bin from desktop. Okay. So where I done a setting, here, which is under user configuration. User configuration, just if you sign out and sign in, it works. So before I go, I'm going to GPUPDATE/force. Okay. So it update the policy. Even though if you forget to update the policy, sometimes no problem. Only sometimes you will get a problem. Okay. So that is what I done, guys. Again, I went to this is the example thing is remove recycle bin on from desktop, right? Desktop. So what I have done, I go to run GPEDIT.MSC, then go to user configuration, administrative templates, then I go to desktop. Under desktop, I see remove recycle bin from desktop. Okay, so okay, I've opened it, then I enabled it. Next, again go to run. Close window, go to run GPUPDATE/force. If you use GPUPDATE also, no problem, not required. Force is also not required. Just like earlier days we use a force, it is a old hobby we are using. If you don't do it also, no problem. Because of we done a configuration under user configuration, so just sign out and sign in, verify. Okay, so what I'm going to do is sign out, right? Just click on a user, sign out. Okay, login again. We'll see whether it is working or not. Even I done this thing so many years back. So guys, where is the recycler bin?
Deleted, sir.
Recycler bin
Removed.
removed. So that is the local group policy. Local group policy applied on that particular computer only. Local group policy will applied on that particular computer only. In local group policies, you have multiple settings are there. Okay, multiple type of settings are there. Only thing is you must know what to do and what we can able to. So why you have to search and read the descriptions before you do it. So something like this, you open, see, read the description. So if you enable these policies, then what will happen? Okay, if you don't want it, if you are like that, you can able to revert it also, no problem. See, software settings, admin, Windows settings. There's a script log on, log off, policy QS, deployed printers, security settings, control panel related one, add or remove programs related, display related, personalize. Okay, so you can display settings also, you can do it. Disable display control panel. This is display. Disable the display control panel. Okay, personalize. So prevent changing themes like that. So you can able to do it. Remember all these things, because when you go to servers, in the servers, we are all doing in the servers. That time you will understand what is this group policies and all programs. Okay, regional languages. Like there is a lot of settings are there. Okay, now how to revert it back also we can able to see, that is we are enabled a policy, then how to revert it back also we can see, but I want to show you this computer configuration, Windows settings. Okay, it is loading. See, these are Windows loading, security settings, local policies, account policies. Okay, user right assignment policies, yellow logon locally kind of stuff, change time zone, change like this. Who can able to do it? Who can able to access? My user can able to access. Other user can able to access. Okay. Actually, there is one policy is there. Security policy. Yes. Application control policies. I said no, app locker. So this is app locker policy. So we can control access by users. I have a second user is there. The user is want to access my application. I can tell them, you cannot access this particular application or a particular version of application. For example, I installed Python 3.9 and also I installed Python 3.7. So I allow a user to access 3.7, not 3.9. Not 3.9. I only allow 3.7 only. So two applications are there. I allow only one application by version. Or maybe I don't allow the user to use my Office 369 or a MS Office. I don't want to allow them into access. Or I will allow only particular few applications, not all applications. Like that, we can able to control. We can control by application, application version, or a publisher. Microsoft applications, okay, like that. This is also same thing. It is a older one. Software restriction policies. Software restriction policies also same as a app locker type, but it is older one. App locker having a multiple options are there. Some rules, executable rules like that. Okay, script rules kind of stuff. IP security policies, public key policies, okay, Windows Defender, firewall related policies also there. Okay, but if you change any policies here, you require a restart to apply the policies, because any policy you made in a computer configuration, restart is required. Any policies you change under user configuration, restart is sign out sign in is required. User configuration, sign out sign in. Computer configuration, restart. That's the thing. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say. Of course, in the networking, I done enable some policies for a network troubleshooting. That is also, it is there now. So here it is. He said in a computer configuration, administrative templates under network, Lanman workstation, enable insecure guest logon. So, okay, this is the local group policy part setting for a network troubleshooting thing. That is also we seen once. We'll see. So what he said, computer configuration, administrative templates, network, expand the network, LAN workstation. Where is my magnifier? Again, guys, look at here. Computer configuration, administrative templates, network, Lanman workstation. In that one, he said enable insecure guest logons. It means not required security things. It means any anonymous person can able to access your share. You can see the description. SMB client means it's a server, means share folder login kind of stuff only. Okay, so when you are any user can able to access your thing. So it is enabled. How it is enabled? Because yesterday I enabled it. Okay, so go to enable it. Next. So this is the description. If you want to change it, also you can change it. You can able to change it. How to change it, I will tell in my previous one only. So this is enabled. Click OK kind of stuff. So put it here. Apply. OK. Then automatically you have to restart. Why I'm not touching here? Because of I have to restart my computer to change anything. Why? Because of I done in a computer configuration. Any changes you made in a computer configuration, so compulsory you must restart your computer. So this is the policy. For another policy, like you are unable to access network share folders or a network printer folders, you are getting a authentication issue, authentication related issues. So then you can open for everyone by enabling these policies. So if you done that one, compulsory update the policy and restart the computer. But one thing we forget, we disable this one, right? So how to get it back to the normal condition, I will show in here only. Okay, no, here only. So look at here where we enabled remove recycler bin icon from the desktop. We enabled it, so then we don't have our recycler bin. Now I realize I don't want like that, so I want to revert it back. So open this one. So open the policy. Never put a not configured like a previous stage. Go to disable. First disable the policy. Guys, look at carefully. First disable the policy. Then okay, expand it, apply. Okay, first disable the policy. It is already enabled, so disable the policy. Click apply. Okay, then not configured. Then not configured. First disable it, apply, not configured. After not configuring, again apply. Okay, now it is become normal. Not in a disable, not in a enable, it is not configured as earlier how it is look like, it is there. So this is how to deal with the local group policies. How to revert it back. Okay, I disabled it and not configured. Why still my icon is not showing? Update. Update the policy. Okay. After updation, icon is not showing. What to do?
Sign out.
Very good. Because it is changes occurred in a user configuration, sign out and sign in. I showed Lanman kind of stuff, right? That is under computer configuration, that is required restart. Very good. After so long time, I can able to show local group policies. Next one is registry. Yes, see, we got a last 4 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 4 days. One is installation, second one is disk management, file system related like NTFS settings. But we have hardly, like I started almost like a 10 to 12. Now it is 1:30. we completed two things at least. Third thing also I'm going to complete. See, recycler win is back. Let's understand local group policies. So what is the last thing we done? To reset back, or we can say or to get back recycler bin icon. On desktop. What to do? Again, GPEDIT.MSC. Then go to user configuration. Administrative templates. Under administrative templates, desktop. So look at the desktop and here it is. Remove recycle bin icon from desktop. So it is enable. So what it is? So double click. First disable, apply, then put in not configured, then apply. Okay, that's it. Again, go to run GP update. This is purely optional. Some people put a question, without a GP update, what will happen? Nothing, it works, no problem. Because we are signing out, signing in, right? Sign out, sign in, verify. this is about your group policies, and for network related thing, this is the network related. And usually you should not do the network related one until unless it's compulsory we required. Why? Because of, if you see the policy, this one, enable insecure guest, it means anybody can able to access your folder. So we should not enable until unless it is compulsory required. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so that is about your group policies. Next